Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OOO token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, OOO is a pioneering Web3 project designed to revolutionize blockchain interoperability through its core technology, AI Omninet. Its primary mission is to seamlessly translate users' complex cross-chain intents into actual on-chain operations, thereby solving the critical pain points of blockchain slows and liquidity fragmentation prevent in the Web3 space. By integrating cutting-edge AI with blockchain infrastructure, OOO is redefining how value flows across the Web3 ecosystem. It aims to be the bridge connecting DeFi and CFI, providing a unified, efficient, and user-friendly on-chain gateway for both users and developers. OOO token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 158.6 million OOO token. OOO token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.